What's up everybody? In today's video I am working on this car, 2020 BMW M8. I'll be installing clear bra on the front bumper and part of the hood. So if that's something you're interested in, stick around. What's up everyone? My name is Derek. I'm with DA Graphics. I am a mobile graphics and paint protection film installer, and I go all over the place installing graphics and clear bras. If that's something you're interested in learning more about, consider subscribing. So I'm just gonna clay bar this bumper and hood real quick, and then wipe it down with alcohol, so it's ready for the install. It's time to install, so let's jump into it. I got that side done. I'm just gonna finish up this side and work on the other little pieces. So as you can see, the pre-cut kit just goes on pretty simple, you know, if you know what you're doing and you stretch it right. Yeah, stay tuned. So I finished that BMW bumper paint protection film. Everything went on really good. That kit was like super perfect. Thank you, Xpel. I didn't get to finish the rest of what I was going to do. I was going to do the hood, partial hood. Just ran out of time. Customer had to take the car home, which is totally fine. So I'll come back, not a problem. And so, yeah, I'm just gonna go home and call it a day. Yeah, so if you have any questions, leave a comment down below. And yeah, I'm not gonna film the hood because you've seen me do that before. Anyways, thanks for watching.